Hey guys, this video is a real treasure for those who want to make the most of the next bull market. While most are looking at the big caps, we are looking deeper and finding the real gems among the real-world asset tokens. I've spent many hours researching and analyzing to come up with this list of 5 altcoins that have the potential to make 50x or even 200x by 2025. So if you want to know which tokens can take off and make you a real crypto multimillionaire, be sure to watch this video to the end. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video, because in the next video I have prepared even more alpha information for you that can change your life. In general, many investors have yet to realize the true potential of this market. But it's worth noting that the RWA story has grown to incredible proportions in just the last year and a half. In August of last year, the total capitalization of this market was only $2.7 billion. And now that number is over $5.9 billion, and that is just the beginning. Experts predict that even in the worst-case scenario, by 2030 we could see a market with a capitalization of $3.5 trillion, and in the most optimistic scenario, as much as $10 trillion. Such numbers may be impressive, but it is a great signal that we are still in the early stages, and this market can bring maximum profits for all of us. For example, the market capitalization of tokenized government bonds has grown from $719 million to nearly $2 billion since the beginning of the year, nearly tripling in 6 months. And this is just the beginning. By 2023, this market segment will have surged by 782%. The market for commodity tokens, especially those related to gold, has also shown significant growth. This is one of the main reasons why large funds like BlackRock are already starting to actively enter this market. And our task is to be at the beginning of this flight in order to simply unload our tokens at the top with huge profits. Speaking of funds, it is important to mention BlackRock, which, as always, is striving to be at the top. They created the RWA fund and have already invested $100 million in tokenized assets through USDC on Ethereum. The fund has already raised over $240 million since its inception. Larry Fink, CEO of BlackRock, considers RWA to be one of the most promising areas after AI, and his fund plans to actively work in this direction. And now that you have a better understanding of the true scope of this narrative, I propose to move on to the first asset from my selection. But first, I want to clarify that this video is not financial advice. It is just my thoughts and vision of the market, so be sure to do your own research. The first token in our selection is Ondo. You may say that this is already a very big asset, and it is. But I see a huge potential in it, and it will be the first and last project of this size in this selection. Folks, this is truly a monster in the world of real asset tokenization. And if you haven't heard of Ondo yet, it's time to pay attention, because this project is already showing its potential to become an absolute market leader. Ondo Finance is revolutionizing the world of real assets by creating a bridge between traditional finance and the crypto world. The idea is simple, but extremely powerful. Tokenize stable, profitable assets from the traditional financial world and transfer them to the blockchain. This means you get all the benefits of traditional investments, but with the efficiency and accessibility that only the blockchain can provide. Ondo has 2 main areas of focus: asset management and technology. Asset management is responsible for creating and managing tokenized financial products that combine the features of traditional instruments with the benefits of blockchain. The technology division develops DeFi protocols that ensure the scalability and functionality of these products. What really sets Ondo apart is its approach to protocols. They are creating standalone protocols that, once launched, can run independently of Ondo. This underscores their commitment to decentralized and autonomous financial ecosystems. And as a bonus, they have partnerships with giants like BlackRock, Citi, and JP Morgan, which only adds to trust and security. Ondo already has a market cap of $1 billion, but I'm sure that's just the beginning. Imagine that in the next bull market, Ondo's market cap could easily reach $60 billion. That's a potential 60x for those who get in now. However, you need to understand that things are not as cool as they seem at first glance. Ondo is a relatively new project with significant token unlocks ahead of it. This is definitely a pretty big disadvantage, but you have to understand that the really big and significant unlocks start in 2025. What do you think? By the way, subscribe to the channel if you own at least one Ondo token. The second in our selection is the TokenFi token. This is a real find for those who want to dive into the world of tokenizing real assets without unnecessary complications. TokenFi is part of the Floki ecosystem that allows you to easily create tokens and tokenize any real asset without having to write code or spend a lot of money. TokenFi offers several key tools, from creating tokens to tokenizing real assets and even launching your projects on the platform. A particularly cool feature is the AI Smart Contract Auditor, which allows you to audit your smart contracts on the fly. However, at the time of recording this video, this product has only been announced, not yet released to the public. And all of this will be supported by a powerful referral and bonus program that will stimulate users and develop the tokenization industry. It is important to note that the project is part of the Floki ecosystem, which is one of the most well-known meme coins. And this in turn gives the brand much more recognition. With a market capitalization of $100 million, TokenFi has a good chance of reaching $8 billion in the next bull market, giving investors a potential 80x return. However, if you decide to invest in this asset, be careful, because along with the small capitalization, you need to take into account the fact that most of the supply is not yet in the market, so we may see quite a bit of pressure on the price in the future. Next in our selection is the Realio token. This is an innovative software as a service that combines blockchain technology with institutional investment opportunities. Realio is powered by Ethereum and Arbitrum, ensuring reliability and scalability. The main features of the platform include a decentralized exchange, a secure wallet, asset tokenization mechanisms, and smart contracts. The key advantage of Realio is the ability to tokenize real assets such as real estate, opening up new opportunities for investors through fractional ownership and increased liquidity. The project is already backed by major financial institutions that see great potential in the tokenization of traditional markets. With a market capitalization of $5.7 million, Realio has every chance of growing to a $600 million capitalization during the next bull market, potentially giving investors 100x growth. But as with the first two tokens, the number of coins in circulation cannot be ignored. After all, in the case of RIO, only 8% are in the market right now, and there are constant unlocks ahead. Next up is the Credifi token. This is a unique platform that combines the DeFi protocol with traditional financial technologies to create a bridge between cryptocurrency lenders and small and medium-sized businesses. Credifi solves the main problems of access to credit for businesses by offering decentralized and secure solutions. The platform works in three main areas: portfolio lending, where users can offer stablecoins in a portfolio with different levels of risk; peer-to-peer lending, where users can lend and borrow directly without intermediaries; and trade finance, where Credifi combines traditional financial services with decentralization, including unsecured loans. I like that this idea is quite unique and adds credibility to cryptocurrencies, because now people will understand how transparent and honest they are. With a market capitalization of only $12 million, Credifi has huge growth potential. It is predicted that by 2025, the capitalization could reach $2 billion, which means almost 170x for early investors. By the way, the situation is much better with circulating supply in the market here. At the time of recording this video, almost 75% is in the market, which is a pretty good result, especially for such a small market cap. The next one in our selection is the Origin Trail token. This project combines blockchain with a decentralized knowledge graph to create a platform that allows for the secure and transparent management of real asset data in the digital space. Origin Trail was originally created to optimize supply chains, where it has proven to be a reliable tool for tracking products from manufacturer to end user. But today, this project has gone even further. It now covers all real assets, including real estate, goods, and even data. By combining blockchain and a decentralized knowledge graph, Origin Trail provides the most transparent data management possible, making it the perfect solution for any business. In addition to helping with data management, Origin Trail also fights misinformation by verifying information sources, adding credibility to the platform. Track currently has a market cap of $210 million, but given its prospects, it could easily grow to $10.5 billion in the next bull market. That's a potential 50x for investors. By the way, about 81% of the total float is currently in the market. Well, that's it. I would like to remind you that this video is by no means financial advice. This is just my vision and thoughts on the market, so always do your own research before investing and invest wisely. Please like the video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the growth of coins. Thanks for watching your Coin Post.